How to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone. You can block Instagram highlights with just a few simple steps. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone. You have a highlighted clip that you don't want someone to see. Whatever the reason, Instagram offers several ways to manage who sees your highlighted stories. So to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone, first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile page. Once on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section titled Who Can See Your Content. Tap on Hide Story and Live from Who Can See Your Content section. Tap on Hide Story and Live from. Here's where you hide highlights from specific users. Use the search bar at the top to search for a specific user. As you type, Instagram will suggest usernames from your followers. Once you see the person you're looking for, tap on their name to select them. Then, tap the Done button to save your changes. Now I will check whether the highlights are hidden from that specific person or not. I'll log into the account of the person I've hidden highlights from. I will look for my profile to see the changes. As you can see, the highlights you selected are no longer visible. Now, your Instagram highlights and stories will now be hidden from the specified person, and they won't be able to view them when they visit your profile. By following these steps, you've successfully hid story highlights on Instagram from someone. And this is how to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone. If you have any questions about hiding story highlights on Instagram from someone, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.